too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh.
Just been taking the front half apart. So as you can see, radiator, big ding in it. AC's all gone, pump, fans naffed. But apart from that, chassis rails are still straight. It's all just this top half that's actually bent in. So this part here and through the middle. Surprisingly, this part's not too bad. It just probably needs a tweak back. So I'm hoping that I can just get away with actually pulling it. I pulled the guard a bit, and that comes up straight. It's pretty heavy, but be able to tweak it. It's also flimsy, it's actually easy enough to pull to where you need it to go. So I think I'm going to try that, pull it all apart, put it back, get a radiator for it, and contemplating whether to delete the AC or not. It is a nice thing in summer, but I haven't really been bothered in the past to actually get it gassed anyway, so I think I might just yoink it off. So there's windows for summer. I'll tidy it up a bit anyway, get rid of all the lines, just cap it off at the bay, and get a smaller belt for it. Otherwise I have to try to find a condenser. I suppose if I can find a condenser I'll do that. But yeah, we'll see what happens when I start looking for parts. So yeah, it's the front of that apart, and it's raining, so I've had enough. I'm going to start looking for some parts. So it's been a few days, still haven't managed to find any parts for the FX. Just been asking around a few guys to try and find a radiator. Haven't found a few, but they're all from a different FX, from like the small port versions, mine being the big port, and they've got a different water neck on the top. So yeah, still waiting on that. Car's been sitting in the driveway. So yeah, been dailying the 86, driving that to work every day, and then had a mishap the other evening. Went to go get some gas, and the fuel pump actually died on it. So yeah, went to tank up, thinking, oh yeah, needs to tank up, and then as I was rolling in, it just starts sputtering away. Thought it was a fuse because there was just no priming, but turns out the pump was actually still semi-running, just no pressure at all. So got brother-in-law to pick me up. He ended up towing me to his shed, got it in his shed, and ripped the fuel pump out. Bench tested it and it worked. Cleaned everything up, thought oh, yeah, maybe it's just something clogging it up. So whacked it back in, and yeah, same thing, turned it on. It primed once, and then it primed and then got quiet, and it just sounded very weak, and then it started and ran, but ran like crap, so no fuel pressure. So yeah, scored another one from a mate, ended up going to a bigger Dishworks one, so it's always a bonus. So yeah, got that in this afternoon, and it's back up and running. But yeah, it's interesting, I actually tested the pump in a bottle of fuel, just to see if it would run the other one, and yeah, hooked up to a battery and there was nothing. I'd actually hook it up and then whack the side of the pump and then it would kick in. So there's something definitely off on that pump. Not sure what would go wrong with the pump. They're normally pretty reliable type things. But yeah, I'll go show you anyway this Euro motive one. It's not the most expensive type. Was actually quite cheap that I bought like 3 years ago. The Euroflow there. But yeah, it's like the filter's got a little bit of dirt in it, but it's not filthy. It still filters alright. But yeah, I just had it in a bottle of fuel, hooked up to a battery. It wouldn't run. Give it a whack, it would run. And then run for a bit, and then you turn it off, and try it again, wouldn't run, just smack it again. So yeah, something definitely off with that. So yeah, stoked to get the car back up and running. Thanks to Grant for the D-Schworks one. Bit of drama getting it in, but yeah, got it in the end. Set it all up. Yeah, seems to be running good. It's nice and quiet actually. It's a lot quieter than what the Euroflow one is. It does have a high pitch noise. But yeah, you just get used to that, I suppose. So yeah, that's the update on that, and hopefully you can find some FX parts and get the FX sorted. But yeah, seems to be not parts that are super common. But yeah, we'll see if we can find a radiator and stretch everything out. Hopefully you can maybe do that in the weekend. It's been raining here, it's been real average weather, so I haven't been exactly outside doing anything. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. New radiators all in, scored that from the wreckers, $70. And now the plan is to drive out to my parents so I can pull the steel bits straight and try mount everything back up again.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it
put all the front back on, you can see. Yeah, bit of a mish, straightening everything up, but got there in the end. Ended up pulling it with the quad. It's quite bad around this area, hence why it's a bit ribbled, same around here. But I ended up pulling it out enough, straighten up all the brackets. The bumper brackets were bent, main support bracket was bent, so that's all straight now. The other radiators in there, all happy days. Second-hand lights that I had and a shelf still, they all fit. This one's a bit dodgy, doesn't have much mounting, but it'll work. And then yeah, just blast it black because it was all rusty and crusty and rank, so yeah, just a coat of black on there to make it look half decent. Bumpers back on, straightened it up a little bit, still got this massive whoopee in it here and a big speed hole. But apart from that, it's alright, it'll work for now. So the last sort of thing is to try to get the bonnet to actually close and straighten that up. This guard actually came out alright. That was all creased there and folded back in. So that's all straight, all the guards are attached. So yeah, I don't know, put some clear over that or something. Because I don't have any white paint, so hence why the black support bar. But yeah, it doesn't look half bad, so pretty happy with that.